What's up guys, today I'm back. It's been a while since I made a video. I'm back with another unboxing. There's a cube that I bought from my recent competition this day. Enjoy the video. Let's start with this. I'm gonna open this manually. Just my fingernails. I think it's possible. Is it possible? Yes, I think. Let's find out. If this video pass out in 1 minute, I'm gonna use a knife. Okay, it's already 1 minute. It's taking too long. Okay, I need a fork. Kailangan ako ng cutter. Gunting. Ayan. Oh my god, I destroyed the box. Too bad. What did I do? Wait lang yan. Importante yung cube hindi yung box. So wala nang damage. Okay. So here's the moment we've been waiting for. Okay. Here's the cube. Set aside this. Okay. It feels like the Maylong. Parang ano lang, WRM V9. It's just like the WRM V1, V9. Okay, look at that screw tension. Screwdriver, tension tools. They all mixed up in one screwdriver. That one useless card that I don't really need. And here is, I think, Wow. I don't know. Okay. Okay, let's do first turns. Okay, nice. I'm feeling it, bro. Nice one. Look at let's take a look at the internals. Oh, it looks like a gun. It has some very cheap plastic. And let's check. Oh, the center caps. Okay, it has some letters. It says MoYu, MoYu, and I don't know how this works. Okay, let's do first solves. So again, 105. Okay, first sold 1152. I think this cube needs some lube. It's unstable. That's bad. I think no. I mean it's good, but the turning is not really controllable. You also need some tension, stable turning to make it more controllable. Okay. Some lube. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Ciao guys, peace.